Hi everyone, welcome to the new session of our SAP Mobility podcast. This is Kevin Hu from Shanghai. So let's go for lesson 21 today. Um, we're gonna do some environment setup of Syclo Agentry. So after we have installed the Syclo Agentry system, we need to do some setup. We need to test the environment, validate the installation and the integration with the backend systems. The procedures is very easy, so I would like to give you a quick demo of it. So let's begin. So first let's check the environment variables here. We need to set up the Java path in the system variable. So we need to add the some new entries here. We need to check the Java has been the variable parameters. So I need to purge all the logs and restart the agentry server. So here is the test environment or the agentry client. After opening up it, sorry, I need to stop it first. Before I can move on, I need to purge all the logs here, and then I need to restart the production server as before I've do some testing and I found some problems. So I need to restart the whole procedure again with the test environment client. So here we have the logs. As you can see from the system logs, you can check if there's some errors when you are starting the server. As you can see, the server instance has been started completely. The startup log, you can see we have the Java environment already started, and so the logs is here, very clear, very easy to find. we can use a administration client we already installed here. Let's double click the local. Sorry, there's something wrong here. I need to connect to a server. To browse for servers, and we can choose the can choose the INI Agentry INI file, which represents to a Agentry server configuration file. So let's name it PROD here. So looks like it is connecting to the Agentry server now. So okay. So we have successfully connected. So here you can see we can check some information of the system. We can start and stop. We can see the OS system connection informations. Okay, let's also start the test environment. So I need to log on with the username and password that I suggest in the installation. So here in the first time of the logon, after logon, you need to do a synchronization with the backend systems. So the connection may take some time to run. It will need to check and update some tables. Looks like it's downloading some data from the backend systems here. So all you need is to sit back and wait for the procedure to end, instead of doing anything that may stop the procedure. Looks like it's updating some tables, some complex tables here. I'm not sure with the details, but let's move on to see the results. So the transmit procedure seems to be very time consuming, so I started up the Eclipse, the editor client of Agentry. I need to create a new workspace here. Click OK. Okay, so let's import Agentry server application into workspace. So let's say we need to choose a Agentry server. Again, the production server Agentry configuration file, the application name. Development server is optional here. So here you can choose the development system. The application name is by default is SAP WM. S for SAP WM. Finish. Let's new a project, a Java project here. As you can see, the imported project has been displayed. Here we need to create a project. Let's add a prefix for it. Java next. Here I think we need to import some library files here. Library, and we need to add some external jar files here. Let's say the application. Let me see. Java folder. We have several jar files we need to import. Several jar files here. And also some jar files, the SAP JCO files. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's move on. Okay, let's switch to Java perspective. So here we can see we have accessing from the application. This is the mobile application, so let's go back to the test environment. Transmission has already been successful. Click transmit and it will transmit again. I think second time transmit is pretty quick. So in this part we have the Syclo Agentry environment set up. You can see in the administration client we can do some administration works here, such as the system start and stop, and also acquire some important informations here. And in the test environment we can do some validations, or we can transmit some of the configurations from the backend systems. In Eclipse we can import the configuration of Syclo and or create our own project. So thanks for watching this part. Bye.